my people, as I just touch you quickly to just drop something with you, to share something with you. And I want to continue to share on the power of a believing man. But while we share on the power of a believing man, it will not be right if I don't teach you the power also of an unbelieving man. Child of God, you can remember Jesus when he went back to his hometown? And Jesus went there in the book of Mark chapter 6, verses 5. The Bible says he could not do much mighty work here. He could not. Because of their unbelief. Child of God, when we don't believe and we walk in unbelief, there are things that God cannot do. The Bible says he could not do much mighty works here. It means to say unbelief restrict the supernatural. Unbelief restrict the power of God. Unbelief restrict the miraculous. And child of God, I come to tell you this. Be a believing man. Be one that walks in power. Don't be unbelieving. Don't let Jesus come to your Don't let Jesus come to your life, and you don't inherit from the blessings that He brings. Don't be one that don't accept the rewards He comes with by unbelieving. The Bible said He could not do no mighty works. Child of God, that means unbelievers don't see mighty works, but when you become a believer, you will see mighty works. God, mighty hand. Child of God, stay blessed. Love you. Stay on the mountaintop. Shalom.